Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly analysis. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. You're going to find the button below the video to subscribe and get all the updates. Let's start with the euro. The euro has been climbing, and we have been seeing the euro going up since this low. We already have a market cycled up that I'm calling W, an X, and here, and another WXY pattern. So don't worry about the labels, but what we want to focus on is that this thing is corrective. And once we have the completion of the corrective wave, we're going back to this previous low. My strategy on the euro for this week is to wait for a leg up back to this previous resistance. We are talking about the 121.89 area. So I'm looking for a leg up to the previous high. From there, I would like to sell the euro back to the previous low. So step one, we need a leg up. This is not a buy trade. Be careful because the price could collapse from here and can go back to the previous low from there. But for an ideal setup, I need to wait for the price to move higher, sell it there, and target the previous low. That's going to be my strategy on the euro. What about the Aussie New Zealand? On the Aussie New Zealand, there is an interesting setup that I'm following this week. It seems that the leg down, it is likely to be a corrective wave. So I'm looking for another move up to the previous high. Then we can have a deeper retrace. So it seems that this could be an opportunity this week to buy the Aussie New Zealand. Actually, I'm already in the trade. So here on the hourly chart, the plan is to have this leg down as a corrective wave. It seems that it's done because look at this beautiful pattern. This is the morning star on the hourly chart. It's a 3-candle pattern where we have red candle, hammer, green, bullish, engulfing candle. 3 candles. So I trigger at the current levels at the 18, and this is an aggressive entry because I'm trying to catch the bottom of this corrective. Has been going down for a while, so it's time to have the retrace, right? And of course we can add trend lines. This conservative, this one a little bit more aggressive, and once it starts breaking trend lines to the upside, we're going to have a higher probability that this is the bottom of the market. The target is the previous high. So we have a small risk because the stop should be below the low, some points below the low, and we have a big reward. This is the most complex part of the trade, the beginning, right? When we trigger and we wait for the validation, but this is the buying zone, the buying area on the Aussie New Zealand. Really interesting, right? Okay, and let's have a look at the S&P. The S&P has been going sideways, but I believe this week we are going higher to make a couple of new record highs. This is where the wave 5 is going to start. The wave 5 could become extended. In case that we have a powerful wave 3, is not going to be a surprise. Actually, it will be great because we can make more money. The wave 3 could hit the 4,000 area very easily, the wave 3 orange. Why not? That would be great. But if the price fails to make an extension for wave 3 and just continues with a regular 5-wave sequence, right there, we can have a big heads up that the S&P could start its corrective wave. This corrective wave that I'm looking on the weekly chart, but again, not yet because price needs to move higher first, will go back to the 3,200 area is my target, where we have the previous wave 4 orange. This is going to be the level what I'm looking for buying the S&P for the long term, or SPY, or ES, or any instrument that you like related with the S&P. So that's gonna be my plan, buying when we have a good discount. If you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe here to my channel on YouTube. And also, if you like to receive our analysis every day with trade plans, with charts, with videos, visit ElliottWaveStreet.com, then click on the membership tab, and here you're going to find our plans. You can start your first month trial for just $19 on the Forex, the stocks, or the full access. Here you can read all the content of each package, and you will get immediate access to our Elliott Wave Street analysis with charts, videos, and more. Please have a fantastic start of your week. Make some good money, and I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.